Hello students, how are you all? I am hoping that you all are safe and fine. Today again you are here with me Deepika, your science teacher. Today we are going to discuss the worksheet of chapter 4, that is solids, liquid and gases. Yes, this is our fourth chapter. All three previous chapter we have discussed all the worksheets. And beta, I am hoping that most of the students are pasting their worksheet in their notebook. Those who are not pasting, but beta, paste it by today. In our next week, we just going to revise only our two chapters which are about to come in our PT1. Okay, I will give a detailed explanation of the chapters again, and I will tell you side by side which kind of question can come in your exam and how you have to prepare for your exam. So all these things we are going to discuss in our next week videos. And yes, this week we are going to do our worksheet for now, and by today's lecture, after today's lecture, our all full chapter worksheet will be completed. So now move on to our worksheet part. So yes students, now we are having our worksheet. First question is pick the correct answers. So these kind of question can come in your PT1 exam. So first question is, which of the following state of matter cannot flow? Yes, we very well know liquid and gases can flow. Only the state of matter which cannot flow is A, solid. So our answer is A, solid. Now next question is, on freezing, water changes to. Freezing means we are giving it cooling effect. So yes, water changes to what? It's ice. Answer is to ice. Now third question is, which of the following is not the property of a liquid? Not the property of a liquid. जो liquid में नहीं होती है. It takes the shape of the container. Yes, it is true with the liquids. It has fixed shape. No, it do not have fixed shape. It has a fixed volume. Yes, it is having fixed volume. It has weak force of attraction between the molecules. Yes, it is having weak forces of attraction between the molecules. So which is not the property of the liquid is second. It has fixed shape. Now our fourth question is, to open a tight metal lid of a jar, we dip it into hot water because the heat of water causes the lid to expand. That's why it can open very easily. So our answer is A, expands. Now our second question, following are three squares. Give arrangement of molecules in the square according to the state written below. Molecules you have to make it solid. So yes, this diagram I had made in the differences too, and I had drawn in the answers also. So yes, here you have to write the molecules or draw the molecules where which is present in solid, liquid or gases. I will show you a diagram in the book. So yes, in book we are having this kind of arrangement, no? So yes, this arrangement you have to draw. Yes, solids, this like arrangement, then liquids, this is arrangement, and then gases, this is arrangement. These kind of diagram you have to draw here. Okay. Now next question is, match the following. The column A has to be matched with the column B. So first question is on heating. On heating, we are providing heat. The water changes to water vapor. This process is known as evaporation. Fourth part. Second question is on cooling. Water changes to ice. We are freezing the water. So our answer is B, freezing. C, on cooling steam, water is formed. Yes, cool करने से steam को water formed होता है. It is known as condensation. It is also happening in our clouds too. Fourth and last one is on heating, ice changes to water, and its process known as melting. Melting is a process in which ice melts to water. Okay, so this kind of question can also come. Now next question is, give one word for the following. You have to write only one word. A question, the increase in size on heating. Increase in size on heating means you are expanding anything. So our answer will be expansion. Now next question is, the decrease in size on cooling. you have to decrease the size by cooling. This process is known as contraction. Very good. So our answer is contraction. I am thinking so all of you are very much clear about all these concepts. But still, if you are having any doubt, then you can ask me anytime. Not anytime. It's better if you will ask to me between 4 to 6 p.m. So then I will answer your all the doubts. Now our last question of this worksheet is 3 questions are there and you have to write these things in detail. So these kind of question will not actually come in your PT1 exam, but our half yearly exam will be there, more exams will be there. So in those kind of exams, these kind of question can come. So we have to cover all the questions which are present in the worksheet, but this time in this PT1 exam, this kind of question will not come. Which kind of question can come? I told you many times, but still I am telling you again. Your filling the blanks type question can come, MCQs. Maybe today you got your printout too, blueprint. Yes, 5 marks MCQs will be there, 5 marks filling the blanks will be there, 5 marks one word answer will be there, and 5 marks one question will come as 5 marks question. In that question, maybe you have to label the diagram, or maybe you have to give the answers of activity based question. So in both of these things, from these two things one question can come. आपके पास बेटा 5 नंबर के MCQs आएंगे, 5 नंबर के फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स आएंगे, 5 नंबर के वन वर्ड आंसर्स आएंगे, और 5 नंबर में आपके पास एक्टिविटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है या फिर लेबल द डायग्राम भी आ सकता है. तो दोनों में से कोई एक क्वेश्चन आपके पास पेपर में आ सकता है जिसको आपको सॉल्व करना है इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट वे. बहुत बड़ा बड़ा आंसर लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक आधी डेफिनेशन आपको आ सकती है एक्टिविटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन में, तो डेफिनेशंस आपको याद करनी पड़ेगी. तो अगर डेफिनेशन आती है तब आपको पूरा लिखना है, उसके अलावा आपके छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन ही आएंगे. तो आपको लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन याद नहीं करने हैं, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो भी याद नहीं करने हैं. वेरी शॉर्ट वन वर्ड आंसर. और आपको क्या है, बेसिकली बुक को थरली रीड करना है. ठीक है, पूरी की पूरी बुक को रीड करोगे जितना ज़्यादा, उतने ज़्यादा आपको आंसर्स आते होंगे, क्योंकि आपके पास बुक में से कहीं से कुछ भी कंटेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. ठीक है, तो आपको इस तरह से करना है. नाउ मूव ऑन टू आवर लास्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग. तो इसके अंदर ए पार्ट है, वाई डू वी ऑब्जर्व बबल्स ऑफ गैस ओपनिंग द बॉटल्स ऑफ एयरेटेड ड्रिंक्स. यस, जब भी आप कोई सोडा की बोतल, कोई कोको कोला, पेप्सी, कोई भी कोल्ड ड्रिंक आप ओपन करते हो तो उसमें फिजिंग साउंड के साथ बबल्स निकलते हैं बहुत सारे. ऐसा क्यों होता है? सो आवर आंसर इज, these are bubbles of carbon dioxide gas which have been dissolved in water under great pressure. ये क्या है? ये जो बबल्स हैं ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस के बबल्स होते हैं जिन्हें पानी में डिसॉल्व कर दिया गया है बहुत हाई प्रेशर लगाकर, ताकि वो पानी में डिसॉल्व हो सके. ठीक है, दिस इज द आंसर. नाउ बी क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डज अ पेंटर use turpentine oil instead of water for removing paint from his hands. आपको पता है जो ऑयल है वो ऑयल में डिसॉल्व हो सकता है, जो वाटर है वो वाटर में डिसॉल्व हो सकता है. तो इट्स आंसर इज, दिस इज बिकॉज पेंट गेट डिसॉल्व्ड इन टर्पेंटाइन ऑयल एंड कैन इजीली बी रिमूव्ड, whereas it does not dissolve in water, so water cannot be used to remove turpentine oil. अगर पेंट पानी में डिसॉल्व ही नहीं होगा तो हम कितना भी उसको रब करते रहेंगे वो रिमूव ही नहीं होगा हमारे हाथ से. सो टू रिमूव द पेंट फ्रॉम आवर हैंड्स वी हैव टू यूज टर्पेंटाइन ऑयल सो दैट इट कैन बी रिमूव फ्रॉम आवर हैंड्स वेरी इजीली. ओके, सो नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वर्कशीट इज, why do the particles of sugar disappear in water after stirring? Yes, this is our day routine procedure which we are doing on the daily basis. every day when we are making our milk, when we are making our tea, when we are making anything, coffee and all, matlab any shakes and all, because this is a summer time, so we are making so many types of shakes. So we are using sugar and water, we are mixing sugar in many kind of shakes and all. So where this sugar went after stirring? So yes, our answer is the molecules of sugar take up the space between the molecules of water. वाटर के बीच में, मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में स्पेस प्रेजेंट था, आप लोगों ने देखा था उसके जब हमने मॉलिक्यूल्स का अरेंजमेंट किया था. तो जो शुगर के पार्टिकल हैं वो स्पेस के अंदर चले जाते हैं. सो वी कैन से दैट शुगर गेट डिजोल्व्ड इन वाटर. सो इस तरह से हमारी शुगर डिजोल्व हो जाती है. एंड अलोंग विद दैट आर वर्कशीट पार्ट इज ओवर. सो बेटा दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो, टुडेज वर्कशीट. हमारे 4 चैप्टर हुए हैं, चारों चैप्टर की वर्कशीट हो गई है. इन आवर अपकमिंग वीक वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस फर्स्ट 2 चैप्टर्स इन डिटेल एज दीज चैप्टर्स आर कमिंग इन आवर PT1. So this is all about for today's video. Thank you.